Today I'm going to show you another gem, CYAN 2949 square feet penthouse, and this is in Ultimate District 10, 5 minutes away from Orchard Road and Newton. Very cozy place, a home of homes where the private areas are very close to town but away from all the bustle. My name is Tina from Urban Agents, and let me walk you through this beautiful home. And wow! As you walk into your home from your private lift, look at the fantastic view outside. And on the inside, this living room is just magnificent with high ceilings, chandeliers, floor to ceiling height doors, nice cozy sofas, TVs. This is a luxurious living area. And the dining area, very cozy for you and your family, friends to entertain. This is really a luxurious lifestyle. And let us take a look at the kitchen. As you walk into your kitchen, this is the dry area where all your Gaggenau appliances are, a wine cellar, and this wet kitchen has got a glass wall and door that keeps in all the fumes while you're cooking, dishwasher, refrigerator, cooker and hob. And at the back, you have the washing machine dryer, your helper's room and also the toilet. Next, let me take you to the rooms. Let's take a look at the first of the 3 bedrooms. This is the common bathroom, and this first room has been converted to a loft unit. There is queen-size mattress on top where it can fit in 2 persons, a single bed on the first floor, ample storage and also a study area. This is a perfect room for 3. Let's look at the second bedroom. This is the master junior ensuite. See how huge this room is. Ample storage, a study table, a queen-size bed, a cozy corner to read, marvelous view outside. This is definitely a room that I would like. Let's take a look at the master bedroom now. As you walk into this master bedroom, look at these huge windows on 2 sides of your wall. A luxury king-size bed, nicely furnished room, a cozy corner for you to look out, dresser, study, wardrobes. The ensuite has got a bathtub and shower separate. And next, let me bring you to the roof terrace. And this is your private roof terrace. Look at the fantastic view outside. You have skyscrapers, even the nature reserve. And the best part is you can have a barbecue here and a private dip in your own swimming pool. If this is your ultimate lifestyle dream, pick up your phone, give me a call. My name is Tina from Urban Agents. If you like such videos, please do subscribe to our channels, and I'll see you again in our next listings.